but most companies die of indigestion and not starvation.
Your user base has gone from around 800,000 in 2020 to 7 million in 2021 to over 25 million users concurrently. Correct me if अगर वो अगर यहाँ वहाँ थोड़ा 1-2 million क्या होता है types. The world of startups is based on the idea of new. Here's a new way to do things. Here's a new solution to your old problem. Here's something new just because we say it's new. But as someone once said in an animated movie based on a rat, the world is often unkind to new talent, new creations. The new needs friends. Why? And I paraphrase, because while not everyone can be a great startup can come from anywhere. So if you're grappling with an idea and are trying to weigh the pros and cons of leaving your job to satisfy the urge of landing up on a magazine cover, or maybe just your family's WhatsApp group as the creator of a successful business, and you need some advice based on the experience of those who have gone ahead and succeeded, well, you are just in time for a therapy session. Welcome to Crafting Bharat, a startup guide powered by AWS. I'm your host, Gautam Srinivasan. In introducing our guest for today, I have to warn you that some of you might be wondering whether this conversation is real, considering the advances that we have seen recently with artificial intelligence. Nonetheless, let's take you down the rabbit hole of an exciting startup that is changing the way ideas can be turned into videos. Give it up for Sanket Shah, CEO and co-founder at InVideo. Sanket, great to have you on Crafting Bharat.
Thanks a lot, Gautam.
Thank you so much for joining us for this conversation. All right, blue pill ne ya red pill? Wondered Neo. How about we take the blue pill for a change and find out from the InVideo experience on how to harness the power of the matrix in our first segment titled The Incubator. All right, Sanket, as the YouTubers say, chaliye shuru karte hain. Let's look at your timeline, right? Now, it's late 2012. It's so long that I have to refer to my notes. It's late 2012. We are at the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor. You are having a challenging time converting non-fiction books into 10-minute video summaries. And an idea for InVideo is born. Fast forward 5 years later, you founded InVideo with Harish and Pankit, all right? And add 2 more years and you've launched InVideo, but your product is not launch ready. In fact, you're going through a pivot as per a blog post that I read on InVideo. Between 2012 to 2017 phase, I want to first understand how did the seed of an idea for InVideo germinate, because you had founded, I think, Visify Books and Massblurb with Pankit in the meanwhile, and how did it evolve further from this 2017 to 2019 period? You know, give us the highlights of the ups and downs, ये जो 2 phases हैं.
अब कॉलेज में लोग मतलब फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, आपको कभी टीम में नहीं लेंगे, क्रिकेट खेल रहे नहीं लेंगे, but then you understand that you are good at it, and then I started pursuing it in life, and then you start thinking कि यार this is not how the world should be. Can the world be like this? Okay. So Visify Books started because I was at University of Michigan. I went to take a course at business school. I was doing engineering. वहाँ पे बोला ये book पढ़ के लाओ. I tried to spend the night कि ये book पढ़ सकते हैं. I thought there was a lot of repetition and said that यार इसका video बना सकते हैं क्या life में, कि यार दुनिया change हो सकती है, क्या आज status quo है, can it be different? And that coupled with the business sense can usually get you somewhere. Okay. Now, business sense can be developed, of course, but I don't think there is product sense, there is business sense, there is writing sense, there is brand sense, all of that. I don't think you ever outgrow a person who is naturally very good at it and has kept honing that craft.
So, Visify Books is where your idea of that business kind of firmed up. And when we look at Massblurb, वो जब आपने Pankit के साथ काम किया था, what was that then? What was that?
So that was, I think वहाँ पे and that business got acquired very early. It is basically, my dad runs a small business and I was like कि यार ये digital marketing वगैरह ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए life में. But I think I made a big mistake.
What was that?
I was thinking about starting a business in India while I was in the US. I think that's not how it works. Because India में business करने के लिए, if India is your market, you need much deeper Indian insights.
यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा, सीखने
यहाँ आना पड़ेगा, काम करना पड़ेगा, देखना पड़ेगा. आप वहाँ पे सोच रहे हो मैं recurring business का धंधा चालू करूँगा. 2014 में recurring business allow करने के लिए मतलब NACH होता था, जिसपे आप फॉर्म भरोगे, आप बैंक को सबमिट करोगे और बाद में recurring payment होगा.
दिल से निकल रहा है पूरा.
होना भी नहीं चाहिए
होना भी नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं होना भी नहीं चाहिए। बहुत लोग करते हैं, मेरी वो बड़ी गलती थी। और कभी विजिफाई बुक्स वाला मुझे क्लोजर नहीं मिला था। आई थॉट लाइक कि वीडियो ऐसे बनना ही नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में। और मुझे लगता है कि 2017 में इन वीडियो स्टार्टेड, 2017 वाली जो पिच थी एंड व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू, I think we are now getting closer for it to be manifested the way we thought it should.
We thought it would. You imagine it working out in a certain way when you start out, but now it's advanced so much that.
But the world wasn't there in some form, and I think like best products are really built at the intersection of your customer needs married to what's possible just now.
Rather than a future use case where wo ho sakta hai, we'll see. All right, I want to fast forward this right now. In the sense that, chaliye, you threw out the remote control, you came here, you started working, right? I think your initial beta product was more towards, as in you had started working with news media houses. So take us through that journey with examples of achieving product market fit for multiple use cases. Sometimes what happens is in the hunt for product market fit, hame lagta hai, acha, iske liye acha kaam karta hai, but we forget there's a whole universe of customer pain points which you can solve. So that example, and how it made you confident in the future of creating video in a browser. And I'll say this because today we see Sora and all these possibilities. As you mentioned, that was not there at that time.
देखो product market fit पहले तो I don't think it's 0 or 1. I think on a scale of 10 you say आपका what zone of product market fit are you on. And also I think product market fit can be taken away for some reason, like newsroom. Why did newsroom happen is because we knew someone very well who was very close to Arnav of Republic TV. और तभी if you remember Facebook लोगों को पैसे दे रहा था all these newsrooms to upload minutes of video content.
Okay.
So minimum guarantee इतने मिनट का.
They wanted to increase volume.
Exactly right. तभी वो चला. So it lasted for 18 months. I saw it very early कि ये तो Facebook renew नहीं करने वाला है. Facebook started giving a lot of money to people. Newsroom started reacting. And InVideo was and of course, we are not just great salespeople, we will also deliver on things. So basically, आपको वो सब तो करना होगा. But वो चले जाने वाला था. And then we started picking some signals. Newsroom के जो writer है, वो लोग जब नौकरी छोड़ते हैं, a lot of them go to content marketing. And they started calling us that now I've moved the job, and then we understood that maybe there are use cases here and let's see. And then we pivoted to Prosumer in 2019.
Oh, nice.
Why we pivoted to Prosumer was straightforward. Prosumer is basically consumer. आप पूरे वर्ल्ड में सब जगह पे जाते हो, जिसको यूज करना है वो करेगा. उसका और उसकी इनसाइट सेम है कि बेसिकली वी बिलीव दैट जैसे पूरा न्यूज़रूम एविड यूज करता है आज. क्रिएटिव markets are winner takes most markets. And in winner takes most markets, you first distribute, get to a habit zone, and then start selling.
Create that consumer habit. Aadat dal lo, they will keep coming back to you.
First, that should be the chain of sequence, and that is why we pivoted to Prosumer. And all these pivots are very hard. You feel that you are going to die. You are like, basically.
ठीक है, वो initial phase होता है. It's like going to the gym, right? वो आप एक बार सीख लोगे, you get into the flow. You are never going to...
if you are able to get the flow.
Absolutely. All right. Let's look at some challenges because I want to understand how you handled your lockdown years for 2020. Because yes, lockdown hai, people are spending more time online, so potentially new customers, but there were management changes at the top. So ek wo hai. Also looking at your funding timeline, right? Your seed round in May 2018 and the second one in October 2019. थोड़ा tepid था. But the third round in Feb 2020, that brought in $2.5 million, which helped you launch your automated assistant. Then October 2020 comes and you get another $15 million at Series A. And usse bhi bada, the biggie, $35 million comes in July 2021 for Series B. I want to understand what changed in 2022. वो tepid phase से ये जो growth phase आने लग गया था in terms of funding. You're getting more love from investors. What changed? Was it because you were providing timely exits to investors? What was going on?
So यहाँ पे दो तीन चीजें, right? Like we operate in a bottomless market. The market is extremely large. Like I believe that over 1 billion people in the world are going to create videos, and I don't think that there is any debate there. So the market size is very large. Second, then it comes down to, do you think this guy can do it or not? And
how did you address that question? अगर वो कोई investor if they're asking you, right? भाई तुझसे हो पाएगा?
I think वो दो तीन चीजें, right? Like एक तो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है थोड़ा सा, ठीक है? और सेकंड ईयर आपको बात करने से समझता है, आपको शक्ल पसंद आती है कि आप ये करेगा कि नहीं. और उसके बहुत सारे underlying reasons है कि आप कर पाओगे कि नहीं.
Give us a few of those reasons.
No, how you react, right? Like Pankit left the company a year and a half into it because his mother had a problem and he left the company. Do I always stand up and like put my neck on the line and then make sure that I'm committed to moving? How are my spending habits at a company? Do I spend randomly or it's sharp? Number 3 is like, how do I make changes, live by them, and can I live by them, and how persistent I am? And at that point, you start realizing how much money you would lose and how much money can you make. And I think I genuinely believe that I'm the right person for that. Because I actually have started, over the years, I've started trusting myself, and that's coming again from looking at peers, right? 2 साल में जो कंपनी को बंद करते हैं आज, वर्सेस मैं 2 साल में कहा था, मैं बोल रहा था मेरे को तो फिर स्टार्टअप ही नहीं करना चाहिए था, तुम तो काफी आगे निकल गए, पर देखो मैं 8 साल लगे यहाँ तक पहुंचते, 2 साल में मैं यहाँ था, तुम कंपनी बंद कर रहे हो. सो देन यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग अगेन व्हाट आर योर सुपर पावर्स, व्हिच इज परसिवियरेंस, व्हिच इज लो एक्सपेक्टेशंस, व्हिच इज I don't need gratification every day in life.
All right. Talking about superpowers, that's our cue for a movie reference, because in the Incredibles movie, right, there is a line which the villain says, saying, if everyone is super, no one will be. How have you prepared your business and pricing model to navigate between the, say, more corporate or marketing or news, bread and butter use cases versus, say, the individual prosumer, consumer, creator economy? Because the latter might give you volume that is volatile, but the former gives you more stable profits. ये tightrope walking कैसे करेंगे?
Correct ना, तो अभी तो हम एक ही चीज करते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि there is nuance here, but most companies die of indigestion and not starvation. Okay. So we do only one thing. We do only prosumer, and I agree that the former gives us stability. We don't do it because we are focused on doing it. Second is you let the data of the company talk back to you. And जब बड़े कंपनीज यूज करने लगेंगे हमको पता चलेगा, वो ऑटोमेटिक अडॉप्शन आएगा, वो लोग $20 भर के यूज करेंगे. After that we'll go to them and we'll do enterprise sales. This is not the time. This is the time to distribute. That also comes down to, I believe that companies have like different stages. One is explore, then there is expand, and there is extract. As you go towards late expand and early extract is when you do such things. We are right now at just crossed explore and like very early expand.
Expansion ke mode mein.
Yeah, and that is where distribution is the key. How many people know about NVIDIA AI is what keeps me up at night, and not how can I get $500 out of a pocket.
How popular you are becoming. Now, considering in this phase of expansion.
And making the product more compelling.
All right. Basis this expansion mode, let me ask you your next question. I saw a social media post which highlighted a quote from you during your talk at the AI Playbook event. It reads that I personally think 90% of the features should never be built. They are hyperboles, and they have some theory and principles around it. I want you to expand on this thought of less is more, especially since a lot of the digital native startups, they try to do everything and chalta nahi hai. How does this thought sort of guide NVIDIA's Gen AI ambitions? Ye less is more wala.
We sell simplicity. We don't sell a video editor.
Ooh, क्या marketing line पे कहा है आपने?
It's not marketing line, right? It's actually आपको लगता है, so लोगों को लगता है ये सब marketing है, but ये marketing नहीं है, right? आज मैं ऑफिस में नहीं हूँ. आज कोई तो कोई decision ले रहा है. वो क्या decision लेगा? Complex लेगा या simple लेगा?
Simple लेना तो चाहिए.
क्योंकि हमने इतना बोला है उसको.
अच्छा, ये organizational culture.
हाँ, उसको बोला है कि हम simplicity बेचते हैं.
सीधी बात, no बकवास.
नहीं, उसका रीजन है सिंप्लिसिटी क्यों बेचते हैं, राइट? ये सब कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, ये सब मार्केटिंग हमको लगता है, बट काफी डीप, पहले तो बहुत डीपर थॉट्स होते हैं, उसको बाद में आप मार्केटिंग करते हो, बिकॉज इट्स एन एंगल दैट यू शुड यूज. Why we sell simplicity is because we believe that market of non-creators becoming creators is far larger than market of creators like making more videos at this point in the world. And that is why we sell simplicity, because as we sell complexity, the market that's expanding of people wanting to become creators will be intimidated, and that is why sales simplicity.
बड़ा deep learning thought है. All right, let's move on to the final question of the incubator, because InVideo is available in over 190 countries and your user base has gone from around 800,000 in 2020 to 7 million in 2021 to over 25 million users concurrently. Correct me if अगर वो अगर यहाँ वहाँ थोड़ा 1-2 million क्या होता है types. All right, I read somewhere that you are now the largest prosumer SaaS company in Asia. So I want to first learn from you, what are the lessons that you've learned in scaling up InVideo from a tech standpoint, which will help you in catering the next billion users which come out of Bharat. That's the focus area for a lot of folks. And from your cloud-based backend where videos is being processed, is there anything you're doing with AWS or anything exploring?
पूरा AWS पे करते हैं. I was asking कि हम कितना पैसा देते हैं AWS को, और मतलब मैं क्या बोलूं, मतलब मुझे लगा यार बंगले खरीद लेते जू में इधर पास में रेट कि बहुत ही पैसे देते.
But give us a few details. Your work with AWS is one, and from a tech standpoint, catering to next billion users कैसे करोगे?
If they can create videos in their very natural environment, जो आज वो लाइफ में कर रहे हैं, मे बी बात कर रहे हैं, मे बी कुछ लिख रहे हैं, मे बी व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज टाइप कर रहे हैं, in that form factor, if they are able to create a compelling video, I think that gets to a billion people. Now it is a series of stability, how it's distributed, and then how it can all work together. And which I believe that future of all the software is in the browser. It's also across all devices.
All right. And in terms of this tech backend, AWS के साथ जो काम होता है, थोड़ा उसके बारे में भी हमें थोड़ा टिप्पणी दे दें.
पूरा AWS पे सिस्टम चलता है, मतलब 100%.
एक्सपीरियंस क्या हुआ? स्केलिंग अप में स्मूथ सेलिंग?
बहुत ही स्मूथ सेलिंग. I think कंपनी है because of AWS, and AWS supported the company very early in the journey, जहाँ पे वो 2.5 million, 15 million, 35 million नहीं आए थे. So they supported us very, very early in the journey, and so we have just stayed and love working with AWS.
साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना.
I think they have walked the talk.
All right, walk the talk. That's the message, and that's your 15-minute preview of a world where it seems like I might end up being a prompt engineer thanks to the effort of Sanket Shah and his team at InVideo. But since we are anyway coexisting with short form content, how about we reduce the duration of our next segment to boost our social stats? And while we might not be able to cover 50 headlines in 5 minutes like some of the news bulletins you might have seen, we will talk small but think big in 5 questions with our guest for this next segment titled The Accelerator. All right, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. You met Sam Altman of OpenAI recently. Picture देखी थी मैंने. What are you two talking about?
वो April 1st को आई थी.
अच्छा,
अरे नहीं, मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
Green screen तो नहीं रख दिया पीछे?
I met him for over 2 hours and it was
कुछ तो बताओ, क्या बात किया?
नहीं यार, फ्यूचर कहाँ जा रहा है, राइट? और वो अगर हम फ्यूचर सोचेंगे तो वो जा रहा है कंप्यूट पे, वो जा रहा है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे. We'll need more electricity in the world of AI, which hopefully at some point gets solved via fission, nuclear fission. And second is compute becomes extremely important. Compute storage becomes extremely important. दूसरा, like what are their general plans, right? And I don't think
आप impress हो गए थे या depress हो गए थे?
बहुत ही शार्प गेम चल रहा है वहाँ पे. ना impress हुआ ना depress. मैं सोच रहा था कि यार ऐसी शार्प गेम कैसे खेली जाए.
All right. Next question. What's the X factor that VCs look for in startups when investing? And I asked this in the context of the meeting that I guess you had with Harish Chavla, who was my former boss, by the way, that you spoke about in a podcast where he initially passed on the idea of investing in InVideo, and you said, sir, मैं आपको 20 लाख रुपए दे रहा हूँ, आप वो पैसा आप invest कर दो, and he came on board after that. What was that all about?
वो वही होता है, right? Like जब आपको कोई चाहिए, and I wanted Harish, I've been reading about Harish, I thought again कि smart person who can mentor me for a very long time, which has hold true. Like he is my mentor today. I go to him for several things in life. मैंने उनको बोला यार आप डाल दो पैसे. He said that नहीं, ये नहीं चलेगा. मैंने बोला कि ठीक है यार, एक काम करो, मैं आपको थोड़े पैसे देता हूँ, आप वो डाल दो. This is also a lesson in persistence. कि यार वो नहीं लेंगे, right? And I have used this technique twice with Harish and then Gokul Rajaram during series A. Both the times it have worked.
All right. Startup founder को risk के बारे में when they think, what should be the top 3 bullet points in your opinion?
बहुत ही risky है.
अच्छा.
It is like jumping off a cliff and assembling a plane on your way down, or a parachute, whatever you call it. It is very risky. बहुत मुश्किल है.
मतलब च्यवनप्राश लेके.
हाँ, मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये जर्नी आप पैसे के लिए कर सकते हो.
अच्छा,
आप ये जर्नी करते हो मजे के लिए, इसके जो ग्रेटिफिकेशन पॉइंट है वो जर्नी है, वो जो बाद में पैसे मिलेंगे वो नहीं है, क्योंकि मोस्ट लाइकली तो एक्चुअली पैसे नहीं कमाओगे आप।
रियली?
हाँ, मतलब मोस्ट लाइकली अमेज़न में या स्विगी में या जोमेटो में काम करके ज्यादा पैसे कमाओगे, मतलब अगर प्रोबेबिलिटी,
मतलब आप रियलिटी चेक दे रहे हैं।
हाँ, तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है, बिकॉज यार इसमें जो इतने स्विंग है ना वो हैंडल नहीं हो सकते, मुश्किल स्विंग्स है। कभी आपको राइट ऑफ कर दिया, कभी आप फ्लेवर ऑफ द सीजन हो, कभी आपको $35 मिलियन दे दिए, आप वो सब चीज इफेक्ट नहीं होने देते हो, आप वो एक ही जोन में रहते हो। आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अगर आप आज फ्लेवर ऑफ द सीजन हो तो फ्लेवर ऑफ द सीजन तो जाएगा।
So you need to handle that variability.
और वो अगर if success is compressed, my mental model tells me that people don't handle it well. अगर 23 साल के लड़के को आपने $50 मिलियन दे दिए तो वो इतना बढ़िया हैंडल नहीं कर पाएगा।
That's true for life, in business, in sports, everything. And if you unzip that file of success, be ready to face the consequences, because there will be highs and there will be lows. All right, next question. How do you zone out the competition and do your own thing? Because mostly what happens is startup founders, they look at the ecosystem, competitors ये कर रहे हैं, हमें भी ये करना चाहिए. You know, that feeling comes. How do you zone out that competition and say, we do this best, this is how we are delivering value to the customers, and we'll stick to the plan?
I think reading competition is a part of strategy. Outcomes in business comes with strategy into execution. So you need good strategy, because you get a multiplier of execution if you have good strategy. Competition plays a role in strategy, where you say that you are essentially finding pot of golds that no one is looking for. So reading competition of what they think and where they are going for gold, and then coming up with a better insight, and not going there or going there in some different way at a different point of time is important. So you are we constantly read competition, but it is only one aspect amongst 300 things.
It doesn't define you.
It is one input amongst 200 things that you do and keep in mind with respect to building a strategy.
Fair point. I just wish the RCB team would have that insight, but ठीक है, वो दूसरी बात है. All right, last question of the accelerator. They say the perfect is the enemy of the good, because a lot of the times for startup founders, right, मुझे अपना idea perfect करना है. Is it a better approach to release a good product and then perfect it as your product evolves? Because consumer feedback आएगा, ये आएगा, वो आएगा, नहीं तो I want to do perfection बोल के you will keep waiting and extending your timelines. Your thoughts on this?
आपके question में बहुत nuance है. This comes down to judgment. My opinion, however, and it's judgment कि कब release करना चाहिए. It's pure judgment of a person. It's also judgment of Sam Altman कि GPT-5 कब release होना चाहिए, which we spoke about.
Oh, so it's masking ये perfection चाहिए, but in effect you are worried.
I think so. There needs to be judgment. There needs to be a time to launch. But the earliest you go out is the best for the business. Unless you had very deep insights because you worked in some industry for 15 years and you think that you will have to build something compounded. You are looking for gratification ना, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. But अगर launch कर दिया तो आपका bubble फूट रहा है. Which is 90% of the time. There are 10% exceptions.
All right. Green screen hatao, reality apnao. That's the message coming in, and that's your 5 minutes worth of content on Starting Up, brought to you by a human, 100% Desi ghee and not a bot, right here on Crafting Bharat, a startup guide with Sanket Shah of InVideo. Well, someone might have said that a good Instagram reel makes the audience feel like they've journeyed with the characters. So let's bring on the third act of our show with questions put forward by our audience. And Sanket, of course, is here to answer those questions in our final segment called The Advisor. Right, Sanket, first question that comes from Sharan Agarwal, an angel investor and VC fund advisor, and he asks, many SMEs that go from ideation to POC, they require capital, and that's something that very few investors would offer at that point in time. Now, in the absence of funds to bootstrap the business, what sources of funds would you recommend so that you can develop that POC, then turn it into an MVP so that they can prove a PMF? Yeah, ये बहुत abbreviated सवाल है, but
I think the easiest thing to do in life as a company is to actually convince an angel investor. If you can't convince one angel investor,
इसलिए तो angel बोलते हैं.
यार मतलब मुश्किल हो जाएगा life. मतलब आपको पैसे तो लगेंगे, बैंक तो पैसे नहीं देने वाला है, इधर आपके पैसे आ रहे हैं या और किसी के. मुझे लगता है easiest thing to do is to convince an angel investor. Okay. And if you have not spoken to 50-60 people, 100 people, I have no sympathies for you.
Oh. देख के कीजिए सवाल जवाब, देखिए आपके सामने कौन है. All right. Our second question comes from Naveen. Naveen is from Z Growth Capital and he asks, what are some of the upcoming trends or developments in video marketing that InVideo is excited about? आगे की बात करते हैं.
I am very excited about कि मुझे यहाँ पे 3-point कैमरा सेटअप, लाइट्स वगैरह के सामने कभी लाइफ में नहीं बैठना पड़ेगा. और
यार ऐसे मत बोलो यार.
नहीं, और बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि और उसके बिना सेम प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू से कोई बात कर पाएगा जो मैं ही हूं. दैट्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज अ लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ माई बैरियर टुडे is that I need a light setup, I need a mic setup, I need a great camera, I need high quality post processing. So I think you will be able to make more things tangible that are non-tangible today because of where the world is.
Okay.
And wo jagah pe I think that we can have a conversation, we can have a sharper conversation using a lot of AI technologies. And I think that is where also अगर हम एक चीज भूल जाते हैं कि आज लाइफ में बहुत लोग are not great talkers, are not great articulators. They are articulators, but they are camera shy. They don't want to put themselves in front of camera. I think वो barriers हटेंगे. And thus you will get far deeper insights of a human being for people who are introverted and don't.
और I think मुझे भी मीडिया ट्रेनिंग का बिजनेस शुरू ही करना चाहिए. Then I can feed my customers on to you. Saying, अब now you know how to talk. Use Sanket's.
आप शायद से आपकी मीडिया ट्रेनिंग कैन ट्रेन एन AI टू.
वो थोड़ा हम समय सोच विचार विमर्श करके हम
नहीं, आई एम जस्ट पुलिंग योर लेग.
We will explore. All right, our third question comes from Jinal from Jito Angel Network. And Jinal asks how to determine the right maturity of a probable product adaptation in the market. What are the risks of developing a tech product ahead of time? पेचीदा सा सवाल है थोड़ा.
नहीं, अहेड ऑफ टाइम आप नहीं बना सकते, राइट? लाइक, और वो मुझे लगता है कि स्टार्टअप में सेरेंडिपिटी है. कोई भी बिजनेस में सेरेंडिपिटी है कि आर यू इन टाइम, डू यू हैव अ लार्ज मार्केट. मुझे लगता है कि सेरेंडिपिटी तो है लाइफ में. ठीक है. सेकेंड चीज की बहुत सारे कैवियाट्स है जहाँ पे आई थिंक इन्वेस्टिंग इज ऑल्सो अ क्राफ्ट. लाइक टॉकिंग इज अ क्राफ्ट, इन्वेस्टिंग इज अ क्राफ्ट एंड मल्टीपल फैसेट्स, राइट? कि अभी एनवीडिया CEO जेंसन बोलते हैं कि ही ऑपरेट्स इन अ $0 billion मार्केट. बेसिकली कोई मार्केट ही नहीं है, वहां पे वो कुछ बना रहा है जो मार्केट बन रहा है. गेमिंग एंड AI was never a market. So Nvidia couldn't say कि AI is the company expanding the market. And then is that push, is that pull, how far do you think the founder can stretch the unit economics? So there are multiple factors and there is no right answer. The right answer is really आपको investing तब करनी चाहिए जब broadly आपको business के insights है in tech. जैसे मुझे AI के insights है. Like I think me and my co-founder are the best team to evaluate an AI company today in this part of the world. Okay? Because हमको समझ जाता है कि ये नहीं चलेगा, ये चलेगा, उसने टेक में कितना काम किया है, वो बोल रहा है बहुत टेक किया है कि नहीं किया है. We can see through all of those things very easily. Otherwise, जो भी इन्वेस्टर है, I think they should invest. अगर आप बाथरूम में बिजनेस मॉडल के बारे में सोच रहे हो, आप वेट्स कर रहे हो जिम में, पर आपके दिमाग में बिजनेस मॉडल चल रहे हैं, only then can you really become extremely good at that craft.
All right, make it second nature. Hashtag confidence, hashtag persistence, hashtag super. Lots of hashtags that have come out of this conversation. But it's time to call it a wrap though for this episode of Crafting Bharat, a startup guide powered by AWS. This podcast is an initiative of NewsReach. Sankeet, and I mean this in the real sense. It's been a pleasure speaking with you and understanding how it's probably time to say something else rather than lights, camera, and action when creating a scene. But change is good. Remember, we are here to defend the new. And if you want to turn your ideas into videos, do check out platforms like InVideo. And in the meanwhile, Sanket, again, a very big thank you for joining us.
Thanks a lot, AI Gautam.
All right, I will ignore that and dial back my human element. But A big thank you also to our audience for tuning in. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for cues to lead and succeed from the most exciting startups in the business. Till next time, this is your host Gautam Srinivasan signing off. Crafting Bharat, a startup guide powered by AWS, is an initiative of NewsReach in association with VC Circle, produced by HT Smartcast. The director and executive producer of this show is Deepthi Ahuja. The assistant producer is Veda Mohan. The video editor on this show is Kuljit Singh. And the audio editor is Amrinder Singh.